Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your saves are backed up and you know which platform you're using. This prevents data loss. On PC, open Steam and launch Black Ops 2 from your library. Once done, pause at the main menu and check current language and options so you know the starting point. You do this because the game will reload assets when the language changes, confirming the platform, and save state saves time and avoids rework later. Now adjust the language using the method for your platform. On PC, either change the in-game options language or right-click the game in Steam, Properties, and use launch options to force a locale. Restart the game after changing. On consoles, change the console system language and reboot Black Ops 2 so it loads the proper audio/text. Make sure language packs download fully, otherwise text or voice may remain in the old language. This step swaps asset files, which is why a reload is required. Finish by restarting the game and navigating menus to confirm voice, subtitles, and HUD are in the chosen language. Test a short mission or multiplayer lobby to ensure consistency. If elements still display incorrectly, clear the platform cache, verify game files on PC, or reinstall the language pack. This forces asset redownload. If problems persist, restore your backup and repeat the steps slowly to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.